Okay.
Alright.
You going?
Yes, dude. I said it was processing, but now it's done. Fuck you too.
Oh, shit.
Stupid. It looks like he's dead. Hey, Lobo, get over here. Lobo, hang on. God damn it.
Need help?
Actually, leave him be. Let's see if some rats will eat him. At least that got him off his ass.
Dust me off. There's nothing on it, dust me off.
Yeah, I'm still recording, you know. Are you guys listening? I'm recording still.
Good for you. Okay.